Hey, what's going on, everyone? Welcome to the channel. This is EDC for Fun. Thanks for checking out the video. I really appreciate you stopping by. All you new subscribers, what's up? Leave me a like and a comment. And if you're not subscribed, go ahead and hit that sub button. I'm glad to have you with us. This is a Vosteed Hedgehog. I've been using this guy since I got it, doing some yard work over the weekend. You can see she's pretty dirty. Thought this would be a good opportunity for us to get inside and take a look at this top lock as I take this apart and do some cleaning. So the first thing we'll do is, this is a captive pivot, no tooling on that side. We're going to flip it over. We've got a T8 here, and we're going to pull that pivot screw out first. All right, now we are going to grab our T6 and we're going to pull the clip off. And we have a T8 body screw here. We will go ahead and remove that. Okay, now this is my first time taking this apart, so I'm not sure what to expect. I'm going to relieve a little bit of the tension by opening it part way. And that scale did come off, and so did the stop pin. Got to watch out for those pesky little stop pins. All right, so we get our first look at the assembly inside there. Real quick, we'll just take a look at the inside of the scale. I always like seeing these when they're milled out, especially when you've got a non-uniform pattern like this Damascus. You can see all the layers and everything. Just looks super cool. Set that to the side and flip this guy towards me and just kind of look at what's going on. So we do have everything in place. Now, obviously the stop pin's gone, but you can see when the blade is in the open position, watch this spring here, that falls into this tang, which we'll take a look at that in a second. We'll go ahead and pull this guy off. Let's see. Well, I don't like that either. Let's turn that away. All right, this guy here is giving us a little bit of a fit. I'm just going to see if I can't go ahead and unscrew that as well. Nope. All right, let's do this. Let's pull the spring up and carefully pull the blade out, so that way we're not going to cut ourselves while we try and finagle this guy. I really want to take this apart. You don't really have to if you're just cleaning, but it probably would make your life easier if you could. Get that other bearing out there. What I'm going to do is I'm going to actually put this body screw back in and then use two tools to try and unthread it from this side. Success. There we go. Now I got this guy off, and I should be able to take this one out by hand-ish. That guy, that back barrel spacer standoff, whatever you want to call it, is just in there, does not want to come out. So I think at this point, I'm not going to force it. Now that we have that apart, we can take a look at this top lock assembly a little closer. So I did put the stop pin in there and no other hardware, just so we can see how this works. So when the blade is in the open position, the tang of this leaf spring goes into that channel of the blade, and that's what keeps it locked up there, as well as the stop pin. And then when this is pressed, that allows you to swing the blade closed, and then the stop pin actually goes into this groove here, so that when the blade is in the closed position, it's butting right up against that stop pin. And then you can see why this big groove exists up here. Sure, it's someplace where you can put your finger, but more importantly, it's there for the button. So let's get it cleaned up and then put back together. Okay, so we've got her back together. We are centered. Our lockup is secure. And our action is money. So yeah, that is the teardown of the Vosteed Hedgehog and a quick look at the top lock mechanism. These are really cool, really secure, and also fun fidgety locks that allow you to open and close the blade easily without putting your fingers in the path of the blade, but yet still maintaining a reliable lockup, which you don't get with other button locks. So the compression lock button, aka top lock, that is the way to do it. And I really appreciate you guys stopping by and checking this out. If you have any questions, let me know. Otherwise, I'll see you on the next one. Peace.